Alright, so I went ahead and created a few more campaigns. Before we had just this my first music. So I went ahead and I added 4 more. And one of the great things about this is you can add the campaigns as the administrator. You can add it from the front end or the back end. And once campaigns are in the back end, you can disable or enable any campaign that you want or the ones that you don't want. So now we have this the right corner here for. So what I want to do is I want to take this search and this latest news here off from this section, so it stretches everything out, because we don't need this here. We have to search. They can search on this right corner, but as you can see, it's putting everything to closed up. So let's go ahead and remove the search and the latest news. So let's just copy that title and we'll go to extensions module manager, and from the module manager you can be able to disable this. So let's just copy and paste and click search, and it's going to pull up the search here. This the site, the position is the sidebar. So let's just disable that, and let's do the same for the latest news. Alright, let's disable it. So now when you come and refresh this Discover, you notice that it should have stretched out a little bit more. Alright, there we go. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4 campaigns right now, and people can be able to search these campaigns, the creation date. They can be able to search, by the goal amount. So let me just pick one for example. Alright, here's me and my kids. So as you can see here, everything looks great. So whenever someone wants to make a donation, first of all, the donation amount that they want to raise here is right here in this corner at the top, and the days left is here. The percentage that has been funded is right there, and the funding type is a donation. So, and it has this message: this project will receive all of the funds donated by the closing date for it. So this are all the give backs. Whenever someone gives a certain amount, you can be able to give them whatever here. I just put some demo stuff here. And then the photo gallery, I didn't put in the photo gallery in this particular one. And then put the campaigners information here. And if they're in the donors, it's going to show up here. So everything right now looks, it looks great. And we can also share this on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and other social networks. So you can also add campaigns on the back end as well. When you click on new, it's going to show something like this where you can be able to add it. And you can also add images. Let me just go ahead and add a couple images to the description. Alright, so I'm just adding more text. And let me come here. I'm just going to add an image. The flexibility for this is really great because it allows you to to make it your own. Alright, so I'm selecting the first one that says Apps Protect, and I'm going to put this to the alignment to the left, and for the top, the margin. Alright, you want to uncheck, just quick here, if you want the margins to be even all around, then you uncheck the equal values here. So I'm just going to put in 15. Alright, and then you check it back. Yeah. So once you check that back, then it automatically fills in the rest of them. So the right, the left, the top, and the bottom are going to have the margin of 15. Alright, so that looks okay. Let's see how it looks here. Just insert. Okay, one more thing before inserting. If you notice here, the width, the dimensions are large. So if you want the image to be smaller, then you can be able to resize it. But let's just leave this as it is and see what it looks like. Alright, so that's, and I'm just going to highlight this here. Okay, let me click save and close. So once it's saved and closed, I'm going to refresh it. And the changes that were made should be shown here now. So as you can see, you can add pictures to this, and it has the person's details here at the very bottom. So everything, looks great. Let's move on with the rest of the site.